Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve the questions 1, 2, and 3 in the assertion and reason based questions. In the assertion and reason based questions, the question number 1 has been told that the assertion is given as if sine A that is equal to 1 by 3, where A is an acute angle, means A is from 0 degree to 90 degree. Then the value of cos A is 2 root 2 by 3. And the reason is given as for every angle theta, for every angle theta, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 for every angle theta. So as we know that the reason is true, and for the assertion, as we know that cos A that is given as square root of 1 minus sine square A. Since from here only we can say that cos square theta is 1 minus, and say cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. So it means that cos theta will be the square root of this, square root of 1 minus sine square theta. So from here only we can obtain this cos A if I know the value of sine A. So cos A will be equal to square root of 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square, since sine A has been given as 1 by 3. So this will be equal to square root of 1 minus 1 by 9, which is equal to square root of 9 minus 1 by 9. If we take the LCM, that will be 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So root over 8 by root over 9. So root over 8 we can say that is 2 root 2 by root over 9 is 3. So 2 root 2 by 3. So it means assertion is also true. So assertion is also true, the reason is also true, and from the reason only we can obtain the assertion. So reason is also the correct explanation of the assertion. So it means option A is the correct answer. So in the question number 2, it is told the assertion is given as in a right angle triangle, if cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 and sine theta is equal to root 3 by 2, then tan theta will be equal to 1 by root 3. So and then the reason is given as tan theta equals to sine theta by cos theta. So as you know, the reason is obviously true. So and sine theta has been given as root 3 by 2 and cos theta has been given as 1 by 2. So therefore, tan theta will be equal to sine theta, which is root 3 by 2, divided by cos theta, which is 1 by 2. So then we will get root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1, which is equal to root 3. So tan theta, then it will be equal to root 3 if sine theta is root 3 by 2 and cos theta is 1 by 2. So it means that the assertion is false. The assertion is false and the reason is true. It means that option D is the correct answer. Then in question number 3, it has been told the assertion is given as the value of cosec 30 degree plus cot 45 degree, that is equal to 3. The reason is given as cosec 30 equals to 2 and cot 45 degree equals to 1. So now cosec 30 degree is obviously 1 by sine 30 degree, and sine 30 degree, as you know, that is equal to half. 1 by 1 by 2, that is obviously the 2. So cosec 30 is obviously 2. And cot 45 degree equals to 1 by tan 45 degree, and tan 45 degree we know that is 1. So cot 45 is also 1. So it means cosec 30 degree plus cot 45 degree will be equal to 2 plus 1, which is 3. So obviously the reason is also true and the assertion is also true, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion also. So option A is the correct answer. I hope all of you understood the solutions of these 3 questions, 1, 2, and 3 in the assertion and reason based questions. Still any doubts if you have, please write that in the comments. We shall obviously clarify them. So thank you everyone. Bye.